Recrystallization is the most effective technique for the purification of solid organic compounds. The first task is to place a conical flask and funnel into the oven to warm up. We are going to return to this later in the experiment. The solvent for this experiment is water. The reason for this is because the solvent used must be at or near the boiling point of the impure substance. Measure out approximately 40 ml of water. The first step to recrystallization is dissolution. The impure substance is dissolved in the water. Add the water to the impure substance and swirl the mixture. The hot plate is a source of heat and the solid is crystallized from water. Continuously swirl the conical flask whilst placed on the hot plate to ensure the compound dissolves. Do not take the conical flask off the hot plate as the crystals begin to reform. Do not leave the conical flask unattended, the mixture will burn and the compound will be lost. The next step is hot filtration, and this is done to remove any impurities. The conical flask and funnel must be collected from the oven. Prepare fluted filter paper as shown in the video. Fluted filter paper is used to increase the surface area. Once the fluted filter paper is prepared, place it into the funnel. Swirl the mixture and pour it into the warm conical flask and funnel. This must be done very quickly and whilst the solution and the apparatus are warm, so the solution does not cool too early and crystals form. Be careful not to touch the bottom of the conical flask because it is very hot. Once the mixture is filtered out, place the conical flask onto a flat surface and leave it to allow the mixture to cool. Once the mixture has cooled, crystals will begin to form. This may take up to an hour. The next step is vacuum filtration. This step is done to separate the crystals from the supernatant solution. Set up the apparatus as shown in the diagram. Once this has been done, turn the vacuum on and pour a small amount of water into the funnel. Shake the mixture vigorously to ensure all the crystals are poured out into the Buchner funnel. Pour the solution into the funnel, and if there is any residues left over, wash it out with a small amount of water and place it into the funnel. Once the crystals are filtered out, you are left with pure compound. To test how pure the compound is, thin layer chromatography can be done. If the crystals are colored, this may mean there are impurities present.